This is going to be my 2-week update on my hair company Brazilian curly. Now let's just talk about these curls for a minute, okay? So guys, from my first video till now, and you've seen the progress with my hair, with this curly hair rather, in my tutorials. So you guys know that the closure is a little bit off. It was dry, you know, it was just, I was like, oh my gosh, what I'm going to do? And I'm smiling because I figured it out, you guys. So I curled this night before last. I went on the road yesterday, so I curled this the night before last. So this is like what you call probably day-old curls or whatever. But let me tell you what I did. So I got the hair wet or damp, just ran it under the water, different areas, and then I scrunched it up together. Then I got what we call out here in Jamaica hair oil. I don't know what you guys call it in America or wherever you're from, but just simple hair oil or hair grease or hair food, just like regular hair oil, and I just rub it up in my hands and I just ran my hand through it. Now it's kind of the same thing how you would work with your natural hair when you want to define your curls. You just get the hair wet and then you run hair oil through it and the curls are there. Now if I want to have the curls a little bit shiny and not too dull, all I have to do is put some serum on it or some argan oil, which isn't on this hair. Now I want to say that I didn't know that I would love this length. I chose these lengths, so I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, but let's just choose some shorter lengths and just done with it and done, because I don't know some of the long hair thing, long hair Merkle to my thing, long hair Merkle to my thing. But I chose shorter lengths this time, and I must say I'm really happy with the length decision. Now the longest length is 16 inches and the shortest is at 12 inch, and that's the closure. And yeah, so it falls just right below my boobage area. But I love the length, I love how it looks natural, and I love how it's practical, because for lengths like these I just feel like more people gravitate to shorter lengths than they would longer lengths, I think. And because I'm always doing long hair, I just figured that I'd go a little bit short to show the versatility in what kind of hair I can purchase. Now if you're getting curly hair and you want the big afro effect, you can definitely do it. You can definitely do that. You guys have seen how this hair can get big. You've seen it semi-tamed in my I think it was my Too Faced palette, yeah. In this makeup tutorial is my chocolate bar palette, the original one. You've seen it a little bit tamed. You've seen it in my smoky eyes and red lips tutorial as well. I mean, you've been seeing this hair all over Instagram and all over my videos, and I really do love this hair. Now I go between this hair and another hair, the Brazilian, I think it's wavy, from her hair company as well. But as you can tell with that hair, I've been wearing it straight because I really do prefer that hair straight than wavy at the moment. I don't know why, I just love the nice sleek look that it gives me. Yeah, so I just want to come by and let you know, shedding, there has been shedding, yes. Every single time I run my fingers through it I get hair, and I really think that's because I cut the weft when I was making this wig. And if you don't know, this is a wig, so I think that's the reason why it has those like every time I run my fingers through it, I get some strands. Not heavy shedding, but I do get strands though. Tangling just in this area back here because it's curly hair, so you're going to get tangles with it. I'm sorry, I'm yet to come across any curly hair that does not tangle any at all, and it's just free of tangles. I mean, even with your own natural hair you get tangles, you understand? So I really think it's kind of unfair for us to ask of hair that doesn't even, it's no longer grown to somebody's scalp, to behave like magic hair and don't the things that hair is supposed to do, like shed, tangle, needs treatment, needs moisture, you know what I mean? So yeah. And another tip as well, when you're purchasing your virgin hairs, treat it as you would your own hair. Don't overload it with products, because you know when you overload your hair with products, it gets heavy, it gets weighed down. If you have natural hair, it gets a little bit gunky, a little bit too thick, a little bit too dirty too quickly. Just think of it as your hair. Think of whenever you're purchasing anything at all, whether it's cheap or expensive, as an investment. Don't just purchase because I saw this one video, let me go and purchase. No, know, as well as do researches, Google the company, go on the website, go on the Instagram, go on the Facebook, see what different people have to say about the hair, because I may have a really good experience with her hair company, then somebody else may have a bad experience with her hair company. If you're like me, I'm sort of a pessimist, so I'll take the bad better than I would take the good. But that's why I would say research, and once it feels comfortable with you, because I know, so when things come, when it's settled with you, then you'll purchase. When it's settled with you, then you'll make that leap. When it's settled with you, then you'll do what you need to do. But if you're like me, if I'm uncomfortable, I'm like, no, Bubba, I'm not budging if I'm uncomfortable, because it's just something that's saying no, don't do it. I'm like, okay, fine, I won't. I feel like I'm preaching. But anyway, so back to the hair. This is a wig, and as I say, I have it at a side part, which I am just loving, Bubba, loving. I'm sorry, I'm living for this hair, living for this length. I am just living. I love it. I want to thank her hair company for sending me, I think I want to do a final review like a month from now, because it's a wig. I have a lot of, it's just versatile for me. Or if I don't come back within 2 weeks time, I'll come back within like a couple weeks time, probably in April, and let you guys know how it's holding up, don't it? Would you want that? Would you want the 2 weeks from now, or would you want me to come back in April, March, April, yeah, or you want me to come back in April? Let me know in the description bar what you guys would prefer. But yeah, I'm not nothing bad to say about the ear turn up. I love it, as you can see, and a lot of you are saying that this hair really suits me. You love how it frames my face, you love how it looks with my makeup, and I'm like, yeah, it's the length. It has to be the length. It has to be the length. It has to be the hair. It has to be how the hair flows. And then it's like almost natural. I've seen people with natural curly hair and it looks like this. Yeah, I have not wet this hair to do this review at all. As I said, I did this hair, I wet and defined the curls yesterday, not today, before I did this video, and I really love how it's coming out. And I didn't shape it, because most of us saying no, don't shape it, leave it. Some of us saying yeah, shape it, but I just chose not to shape it because I really don't want to mess this hair up. And yeah, so yeah, yes, Bubba, yes, girl, life, I live. Yeah, so that's it for this review. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and you guys will be seeing this hair in some other videos as well, because my March makeup madness is far from over. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, thank you, her hair company, for sending me this to review. Mwah. Love this hair, man. Love it. Okay, I'm out of breath. I need to stop recording. Alright guys, bye.